Peter Crook is Chief Executive at Provident Financial, and welcome to Berenberg's European Conference here at Penny Hill Park.
Thank you.
Can we just start by looking at a new online product you just launched called Satsuma Loans? How big do you think that market is?
Well, the online lending market today is about 4 times the size of the home collected credit market, so it's advances of around £5.4 billion, and much of that lending today is characterised by online payday lending. What we're doing with Satsuma is really launching the antidote to payday, so it's got all the customer-friendly features of our home collected products, all the good things in our DNA we've tried to put into a suite of products that are great for the online loans market.
There's a lot of negative publicity in this kind of market, but your customer satisfaction levels are extremely high. Why is that? Well,
there's a few things customers really value about Provident, and indeed those will be features of Satsuma as well. So firstly, costs are fixed at the outset. So we add an amount to the amount borrowed, and our charges never go up. So customers are never caught out by late payment charges or default fees or extra interest being added. The amount a customer owes with one of our products will never go up from the outset. The second thing is, all our products have weekly repayments, so we really understand low-income families and the challenges they have, and they absolutely manage their money on a weekly basis, so we have weekly instalments. It fits the way our customers manage their money.
Which one would assume would make you a lot more regulator-friendly than some competitors in this market.
Well, look, we've been around 133 years, so we've got a great track record of looking after our customers. As you said, very high levels of satisfaction, very low levels of complaints. I mean, there are parts of the market, like the payday industry, where there's been some practices which are not very customer-friendly, but they're not features of our model, and I think our model is well understood by politicians, by regulators, and all the people who advise them. At the end of the day, you have to look after your customers, and we do a great job at that.
What barriers to entry does the company enjoy?
Well, in our traditional business, we have a network of around 9,000 agents who've been with us for 7 years. They underwrite the loans face-to-face with the customer and collect the instalments. So it'd be quite a job to try and replicate that network. We also have the intellectual property and how to manage that network of agents, as ultimately they're lending our cash and collecting it back again. In our credit card bank, meanwhile, we've got terrific credit decisioning. So we've got very, very good underwriting tailored to the needs of the audience that we're focused on. But we've also got very, very effective back-end collections operations as well, to talk to customers who've not managed to keep up with their payments, understanding whether the circumstances have changed, and typically we will reach an agreement with the customer, a commitment to bring their account up to date. So that sets us apart really from many of the lenders in the market.
Just finally, I noticed that you've entered the Polish market. How significant could that be?
Yes, well, we're trialling our credit card product, Vanquish, in Poland. Poland's a large market. It's about 40 million consumers. The credit card market there is not that well developed, but we think that's a great opportunity. It's actually usage of plastic, and particularly credit cards, we expect to grow as more customers shop online. You'll realise that you need plastic really to pay for things online, and Poland's a market we also know very well, as we've been there in the past with our door-to-door operation, so it's a natural extension to the great credit card business that we have in the UK.
Thank you for your time and joining us here at Penny Hill Park.
Thank you.